Yeah, you look. Watch. Look, Ryan. Right there. There's one group. And there's all the other
Ew!
Look at all of them over there. Hurry up. See 'em?
Oh my god!
I should have brought my camera down. It's in the car. It's a beautiful camera.
Is he cool? Someone on
Wait a minute, they're coming. They want to see him too. Did he get you?
No, he just touched me.
Hello, Mr. Crab. Sorry. So they just wanted to come out and drink the water and you scared them all away.
Over there now. That's really cool.
He's pretty. Oh, look. He's like, I'm so scared. It's okay. Go with your friends now. He's so pretty. I pinch. Oh, he's shaking.
Go down. Go down. 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 Down on the ground.
Okay.
Don't. No. Got it. Oh, almost. No. No.
Okay, I gotta end this. It's been too long. It's a cheese.